Atmospheric humidity is measured by A. Barometer, B. Anemometer, C. Lysimeter, D. Hygrometer. Answer is hygrometer. What type of rock is coal? A. Igneous rock, B. Metamorphic rock, C. Sedimentary rock, D. None of these. Answer is C. Sedimentary. The instrument used for recording earthquake waves is A. Barometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Pantograph, D. Seismograph. Answer is D. Seismograph. Which of the following pairs of seas, oceans does the Suez Canal connect? A. Indian Ocean's Pacific Ocean, B. Mediterranean Sea Black Sea, C. Mediterranean Sea Red Sea, D. Atlantic Ocean Pacific Oceans. Answer is Which type of climate does Odisha enjoy? A. Tropical, B. Temperate, C. Equatorial, D. Tundra. Answer is tropical. The river Budabalanga has been originated from A. Nilgiri Hill, B. Damali Hill, C. Gorumahisani Hill, D. Similipal Hill. Answer is Similipal Hill. Clotting of blood vessels is called A. Thrombosis, B. Rheumatism, C. Agglutinization, D. Fibrosis. Answer is A. Thrombosis. Sindhu Natra satellite has been successfully launched recently using which PSLV? A. PSLV C-51, B. PSLV C-52, C. PSLV C-53, D. PSLV C-54. Which type of mosquito, when infected with the virus, is the main cause for spreading dengue fever? A. Culex, B. Aedes, C. Anopheles, D. Mansonia. Answer is Aedes. How many bones are there in an adult human body? Answer is 206. Answer is 202. Light year is a unit of measurement of blank. A. Speed of light, B. Stellar distances, C. Speed of rockets, D. Speed of aeroplane. Answer B. Stellar distances. Which of the following vitamins is considered helpful to keep eyes healthy? A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin A, D. Vitamin D. Answer is C. Vitamin A. Which of the following is not the ancient name of Orissa? A. Kalinga, B. Utkal, C. Odradasha, D. Koshal. Answer is D. Koshal. The first satellite was launched by which country? A. Japan, B. USSR, C. USA, D. Germany. Answer B. USSR. The first nuclear reactor of India? A. Deruva, B. Harsha, C. Apsara, D. Vipyu. Answer is C. Apsara. Bleaching powder is made from A. Sulfur dioxide and gypsum, B. Chlorine and charcoal, C. Soda, ash and lime, D. Lime and chlorine. Answer is lime and chlorine. Among the various allotrope of carbon, which of the following is correct? A. Diamond is the hardest, charcoal is the softest, B. Diamond is the hardest, lamp black is the softest, C. Diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest, D. Diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest. Answer is diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest. The Sun Temple at Konark is known as A. Peace Pagoda, B. Black Pagoda, C. White Pagoda, D. Golden Pagoda. Answer is Black Pagoda. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? A. MERS, B. SARS, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A and B. Answer is D. Neither A and B. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? A. SARS-CoV-2, B. SARS-CoV-1, C. NL63, D. MERS-CoV. Answer is SARS-CoV-2. Who among the following persons is known as Kabi Chandra? A. Upendra Bhanja, B. Kali Charan Patnaik, C. Nandar Kishore Bala, D. Radhanath Ray. Answer is B. Kali Charan Patnaik, who was honored with Bharat Ratna in the year 2019. A. Bhimsen Joshi, B. Madam Mohan Malviya, C. Pranab Mukherjee, D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Answer is C. Pranab Mukherjee. The Lalit Kala Academy is dedicated for promotion of which of the following? A. Dance and drama, B. Fine arts, C. Literature, D. Music. Answer is B. Fine arts. Madhubani style of folk painting is the popular of which Indian state? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Rajasthan. Answer is C. Bihar. Next to Hindi, which language is spoken by the maximum number of people in India? A. Tamil, B. Bengali, C. Telugu, D. Urdu. Answer is B. Bengali.